Today, near perfect conditions. I think dew point still pretty low, nice dry air in place, not as bone dry as it was earlier this week, as we have south winds now, and we're warming up nicely into the 60-degree range for most of us, and we'll hit our highs in the middle 60s. Look at these winds now coming in more from the south and southeast, and you know what that is going to do. It's going to be warming us up. So today, I think this is just about a perfect day. A lot of times I'll write my little journal, perfect day, sun in 65, and that's pretty much what we're looking at today. To me, this is just glorious kind of weather. I hope you enjoy it. We will have a few more clouds increasing through the day. Here's our forecast. Notice also tonight will not be as cold. These past couple of nights and mornings have been very chilly. We had freezing conditions north of the lake early this morning, but we'll be dropping off much more gently just into the 50s for lows tonight. In fact, we'll say lower 50s both north and south. Partly cloudy skies, could probably still see a gorgeous moon. It was full officially last night, but will still look great today. And of course, not as cold. And then looking for tomorrow, a lot of times when we get into the winter, people ask, when are the 70s going to be back? And today, this week, it's just one day, and that's tomorrow. On Wednesday, we'll make it into the 70s. We'll have more clouds, a slight chance for a shower during the day, but really most rain on Wednesday night will wait until after midnight to move in. So you're looking pretty dry tomorrow. Our upper pattern is bringing in a big air mass that's going to be very cold, blasting in at the end of the week on Thursday and then deepening for Friday and Saturday. So those are going to be some chilly days. We'll talk about 40s for highs, feeling colder with clouds and a little bit of a breeze. It looks like the mornings will be around freezing, but models are still not in great sync just yet about just how cold. It does look like we may also have a couple of disturbances riding over us while the cold air is in place. So that's why we've been talking about some cold rain maybe Thursday and through Friday night, possibly a little wintry precipitation. But let me show you with our model. This is Wednesday, and we'll fast forward to Wednesday overnight, and then this is Thursday morning. Here's the colder air arriving and the showers. Now, this is the European model, and I was showing you this yesterday. Now, take this with a grain of salt. This will almost certainly change, but just to kind of show you what we have with the models right now, there will be cold air in place, but above freezing. So what this model is trying to say is that maybe there could be a few sleet pellets or maybe a few little areas of some frozen rain mixed with the cold rain. And this would potentially be timing for this particular model on Friday. Now, the European model wants to get all of this out as early as Friday evening. And so we'd be dry Friday night and all into Saturday. Now, models still not in good sync, as I've been mentioning, and we're still several days out, a couple of days out till Thursday at least. So we can still kind of iron out the details. But let me show you what the GFS, the American model, has. Wednesday during the day, here are some clouds. It has the rain through Thursday morning, just some showers, maybe a couple of storms Wednesday night. But then showers return on Friday morning. GFS model agrees with that, and then it wants to paint anything frozen kind of off to the west, and then anything as far as actual snow goes farther to the north toward Jackson, Mississippi. And this would be late Friday night, and then on Saturday it has pretty much everything wrapping up, at least in the morning, with that cold rain leaving. So for now, just to answer the big questions, when are we talking about? Wednesday night, we could have some storms as the front rolls in. Thursday and Friday, it would be more showers and kind of cold showers. How much, an inch or less, and will it be frozen? It looks right now like it's possible Thursday or into Friday, little sleet or freezing rain, but a lot depends on a layer of warm air. That's why we're not expecting snow. For snow, you need cold air all the way through the column. When you have a layer of warm air, it melts as it moves down and turns into either freezing rain or sleet or just cold rain, which honestly is looking like probably the most likely thing that we would see. But again, we'll be keeping you updated as we get toward the end of the week with that chance.